Okay, it's the next day here, and basically the fish has been cut up. I've taken my sleep. I feel nice and rested. It's the morning, and basically we're going to cook up the yellowtail or booty in a traditional dish called Nitsuke. So let's get started. The first thing we have is sake, 240 milliliters of that. Next we have midden, and midden can be bought at most Japanese stores. We have soy sauce. That's again 40 milliliters, so these two are 40. And then over here we have some sugar, and that's 20. Basically what you do, take your soy sauce, put it in the pot, take your midden, put that in the pot, take your soy sauce, put that in the pot, next add the sugar. Turn on the stove, and let this boil for about 2 minutes to dissolve the sugar and to get it nice and hot. Okay, that's going good. Next, what we do is we have our nicely filleted chunks of yellowtail here, and I've actually descaled them last night and cut them into chunks. What you do here is you get your boiling hot water and you pour this directly over the fish, like so. What this does is it gets rid of the smell or the stink of the fish, so you don't get it in your sauce. That's about good enough. Not cooking it, but basically it just gets rid of the smell. And then next we just cool it down, so we're not going to cook it. There we go. Give it a little bit of fresh water. Okay, good. That's good enough. And these will be nice and ready to be added to the pot once it's ready to be boiled. Okay, we'll be right back, and after that I'll add the fish. Okay, the marinade is ready to go. It's now been boiled, and we're going to add the fish here. Just so you know, what I did before is I actually flipped it over and then poured some hot water on both sides. When you have this much fish, you can't properly coat each fillet with the water properly, so basically I just added a little bit more water on each side. Okay, here we go. Now you can add all of them, because what will happen is the water will actually start to boil up and go over the fish. Okay, just get them all in there. Okay, looks good. I'm gonna put this up to a nice, bring up the heat a bit. And what we'll do is we're going to add a lid to this, and the lid will get the sauce and everything, or the marinade, nicely over the fish. And what we'll do is let this boil for about maybe 5 minutes, turn down the heat, and then basically just kill the heat. I'm going to let the fish soak in this marinade all day long. So this evening we're going to be eating it in about 8 hours. By then the marinade has soaked into the fish. It's going to be delicious. People are going to love this fish. So I hope you like this. Alright, over and out, and we'll show you the results of this evening. Okay, it's about 8:33 in the evening. This thing has been cooking, well, not cooking, but it's been marinating for about 8 hours. Just want to let you know, we use a smaller lid to keep the sauce boiling, or keeping it on top there. It's kind of a Japanese style. Let's take a look. Oh, doesn't that look delicious? That looks really good. Alright. Take care. And I'll show you what it looks like when we eat it.